Hello students, how are you? I'm Zahid from Momentous Classroom. We are going to start countdown 5, exercise 4B, question number 4. Here the multiplication of decimals. If they are simple numbers, we are going to a number with one decimal place with a simple number. So here what we'll do, we write it as 2.4, we remove the decimal, we write here 10 times 3. So what we'll do first we'll multiply 24 by 3 here, 24 by 3, this is 72. So 72 over 10, so the answer is, there is 1 0, so the decimal point is here, so move here, so the answer is 7.2. If there is no decimal point, this means that, suppose 4, 3, 2, 6, this means that decimal point is here, okay? And how many zeros are here? We write the decimal, move towards the right. If there is positive, then the decimal move from right to left, right? Now, and the next question, please be careful about your rough word as well, right? Now here again we have 7.905, 7.905 times 3. Here we remove this decimal point, we write here. There are 3 numbers, so we write here 3 zeros, so we write here 7905 into 3 over 1000. So we write here 7905 into 3, 3 5s are 15, 7 9s are 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 7 3s are 21, 21 and 2, 23. So we have multiplied here 2 3 7 1 5, so the decimal point is here, right? So here 3 zeros, so we move 3 decimal points here, 3 digits here to the left, from right to left, so we write it as 23.715 in this way. This is very simple, that first we remove the decimal point, we write here as many after the decimal point. If there are 3 numbers, 3 digits, we write here 3 zeros. If there are 4 numbers, then we write here 4 zeros in the denominator, right? And when we multiply the numbers by themselves, and then what happens that at the end, after multiplication with the answer, we will write the decimal point as, if there are 3 zeros, we write here 1 2 3 after 3 digits. Here 1 digit and there is 1 0, so we will write here after, there is 1 0, so we write here after 1 digit from right to left, okay? When we multiply, please be remember that when we divide, decimal point will move from right to left. When we divide, decimal move from right to left, and when we multiply, the decimal move from left to right, right? Left to right. And when it is we multiply, the decimal will move from right to left. This is the main key for multiplication and division. Please remember these 2 keys. When there is a division, then the decimal point will move from left to right with respect to the number of zeros. And if there is multiplication, the decimal point will move from right to left if we are going to multiply by 10 or 100 or whatever it is. Okay? Now as here in the denominator there are 3 zeros, so this will move with the answer 3 digits from left to right, because we are going to divide this by 1000. Okay. Now in the next question we send that 2.4, 10.5 into 10. So 10.5 over 10. You remove the decimal point times 2. So when we multiply these two, we have 210 over 10. Here, there's no need to write this because the decimal point will come here, so the answer will be 21.0, or we can just write 21, or you can cancel them as well. The next question is saying 4.672 into 5. Now he's saying multiply by 5, so 4.672 over. We'll move the decimal point. Write 1, 2, 3 times 5. So here, first we multiply these two numbers, 4,672 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 0 carry 1, 5 7s are 31 or 1, 36 carry 3, 5 6s are 30, 3 carry 3, 5 4s are 20 and 23. So we write here 2,336 over 1,000. So there are 3 zeros in the denominator. So as I have told you, the decimal is always at the end. So the decimal will move from left to right 3 digits. So it will come here. So we write it as 23.360. This is the answer. Right? Now I'm going to solve question number 5, that is division of a decimal number. And division. Okay, in the next part we will divide. We'll solve the question number 5, division method. अच्छा बेटे बातें नहीं. Okay, now please don't talk. बातें नहीं करें. Question number 5, here we will divide the sums. Here 13.6 divided by 4. So here what happens? Divided by 4 means we write here 10, right? 136 over 10 divided by 4. So first we will divide 136 by 4 without decimal point. So 4 3s are 12. Remainder is 1 and 6. So 4 4s are 16. So here we will write it as 34 over 10. So we write it as 3.4. Right? This is the answer. Right? What we have done, we have removed decimal point. We have right here. As the decimal point is after 1 digit, so we have right here 10. 136 over 10 divided by 4. We have divided 136 by 4. We have here, we have the answer 34. The remainder as it is 10, so we write here 34 over 10, that is 3.4. Here again we do the same thing. 14.56 over 100 divided by 7. So here 1456 divided by 7. So here 7 2s are 14. So we write here 5, as we know that 5 is smaller than 7, so we write here 6 as well. So as we have bring the two digits at a time, so we have to write here 0. 7 8s are 56. So here is 56 over 100. So what we do here, we write it as the 2 decimal points, so we write here 0.56. Right? And next question, 14.5 divided by 5. So here, first we remove this decimal point, we have a 10. So in the rough, what we'll do, we'll divide 145 by 5. 5 2s are 10, the remainder is 45, so 5 9s are 45. So this is 29 over 10. So 29 over 10, you can just write it as 2.9 because there is 1 0, so we'll write the decimal point after one digit. Now, in the last part, because all the remaining parts are also same, people can easily solve this way. This is question number 5 part F. Here we write 72.84 divided by 4. We remove here decimal point, here is 100. So in the rough, we will divide 7284 by 4. Right? So first we will take a table. Okay, here we have divided 4 17s are 68 and 4 18s are 72. So we write here 18, this is 72, and here we bring 8 and 4 here. So what we'll do is that 4 2s are 8. We will take only the 8 as well, and you can directly multiply it by, and this is what we'll do here is that 1 18 4s are 18 4s. Here 4 18s are 72. So here 84, we bring a whole 84 here. So 4 21s are 84. So the answer is here, that is 1821, right? So 1821, 4s are 72, 84. So 1821 divided by 100. So here there are two zeros, so we write here after 2 decimal points, so 18.21 is the answer. Right? Now I am going to start question number 6 as well. In question number 6,